Hello and welcome to the MyUni student preview mode, which is new in 2015 in MyUni. In this tiny little video we're going to show you how to enter student preview mode as an instructor, how to exit student preview mode, and how to delete the data that you might have left behind. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to enter student preview mode. You'll see that that's available from the top here in this icon here with the two arrows and a little dot next to edit mode. So I'm going to click on that. As soon as I do that, you'll see there's an orange bar at the top that says student preview mode is on, and it gives me a nice little button that says exit student preview. Because I'm in student preview mode, I can see exactly what a student would see. I'm going to go into the assessment area as I want to show you how to lodge an assignment as if you were a student to see what that's like. So I'm going to click on the assignment as a student, as my previous student, and I'm going to put a submission in. I'm going to browse my computer for a file, and I'm just going to pick this one that I created earlier, assignment submission, and click open. And I'm going to, I can either scroll down and add some comments, or I can just click submit, either at the top or bottom as a student. And it should submit that in any second now. So here's the assignment submission as a student. The other thing I'll do as a student is just go to the discussion board and have a look at the discussion board and put a comment on there. So there's already one discussion there. I'm going to click on that, have a quick look at that, and there's a video for students to use. I'm going to reply and say something like, "Thank you, that is very useful." Okay, submit. So I've now made an entry on the discussion board, and I've also submitted an assessment item. So I can simply go up here and click on exit preview mode to exit out of the preview mode. What this will then provide me with is a number of options, two options really. One is delete all the data, so the assignment that I uploaded as well as the discussion board thread that I answered. It is best practice to actually get rid of any information that you have put up there. However, I want to just test and have a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to say keep the preview user and all data, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it later. Okay, so I'm going to click continue, and as soon as I'm exiting out, it actually shows up here. Can you see this up here? It's now got a green dot in the middle. That means that that student preview mode is still in existence, that student exists. If I scroll down to the full grade center, I can actually see there's the preview user, and that's actually the name that will be used for the preview user. And if I scroll on the right hand side, you can see that there's my assignment submission. If I want to mark that assignment submission, even for the preview user, I can go in and have a look and do that as such. I could mark it, say I give it a score. Put a comment on it, and I might just go submit. Okay, I'm back in the grade center. I might also expose this. This assignment is currently hidden. Say I make that available to students. So now it's available to students so they can see it by the My Grade. So I'll have a look at that as a student when I go back. Also, I'll have a quick look at the discussion board, and if I look at the thread that I answered, as you can see here, the preview user has answered that thread, and there's all the information. So it's exactly as if you were a student. Now, how do I delete all that data that I have put in there? I need to go back into this preview mode up here. And I can, just for your information, I'm just going to click on My Grades, and I can see that that assignment is visible there. And if I clicked on it and the score I gave it, and if I was a student, I could go into it and actually have a look at the comments and all that sort of stuff. But I actually want to remove this whole preview. I've done the preview, I'm done and dusted, I don't want to do anything more. So I'm going to actually exit preview again, and this time I'm going to leave it at that option, delete the preview user and all data. And I'm going to continue, and that will actually get rid of all the student data wherever you put that information, so the student preview data. So if I go to the full grade center, you'll see that that student preview is no longer there. And that concludes this little video. Thank you.